morning. Continue. Vectors for beginners, part 2. Question number 1. State triangle law of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition, polygon law of vector addition. First one, triangle law of vector addition. This question is very important not only for classes 9, 10, but it is also important for higher level. So, triangle law of vector addition, यो ट्राइङ्गल एबिसीमा एबी र बिसी दुईटा साइडहरू छन्। यदि एबी र बिसीलाई जोड्ने हो भने एबी र बिसीको सम चाहिँ थर्ड साइडसँग इक्वल हुन्छ। हाउ टु राइट डाउन? सी, इफ two sides of a triangle, two sides of a triangle denote two vectors in order, their resultant is represented by the third side taken in the reverse order. ट्राइंगल को दुईटा साइड एबी र बीसी छ। इफ two sides of a triangle denote two vectors in order, their resultant is represented by the third side taken in the reverse order. What does it mean? AB, vector AB plus BC equal AC. A to B, B to C, just like displacement, distance, AC is displacement. AB plus BC, B repeat भएको छ। A बाट B to C भनेपछि straight line AC भयो। In the same way, B बाट हेरौँ त BA plus AC equal BC. B to A distance, A to C distance, BC displacement, BA plus AC BC. In the same way, AC plus CB equal AB, AC plus CB equal AB, and total AB plus BC plus AB plus BC plus CA equal 0. AB plus BC plus CA equal 0. This is triangle of vector addition. B number, parallelogram law. Parallelogram law of vectors. How to denote it? Parallelogram law of vectors. First, make a parallelogram. Say OABC. This side. Parallelogram law of vector addition. OABC is a first one state. If two adjacent sides of a parallelogram denote two vectors their resultant is denoted by the diagonal drawn from the same point. From the same point. OABC एउटा प्याराग्राम छ. OA र OC टु एडजेसेन्ट साइड्स हो. ती दुईटा एडजेसेन्ट साइड्सले दुईटा भेक्टर जनाउँछन् भने त्यही पोइन्टबाट ड्र गरेको डायगोनलले तिनीहरूको सम देखाउँछ. फर एक्जाम्पल, इफ OA प्लस OC इक्वल OB, diagonal. If two adjacent sides of a parallelogram denote two vectors, their resultant is denoted by the diagonal drawn from the same point. Parallelogram law. C number, polygon law. Polygon law. Draw a polygon. Any polygon. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E is a polygon. Polygon law ले के भन्छ त भन्दा एउटा पोलिगन लिने त्यसको सबै साइडहरु एक्सेप्ट द लास्ट साइड बाहेक सबै साइडहरुको सम अर्डरमा जोड्ने हो भने तिनीहरुको रिजल्टेन्ट भेक्टर चाहिँ लास्ट क्लोजिङ साइडले डिनोट गर्छ. पोलिगन ल if all the sides of a polygon except the closing or last one denote a number of vectors in order. यो लेख्नुपर्छ in order. अर्डरमा हुनु पर्यो. AB plus AC होइन, AB plus BC in order. Their resultant is denoted by the closing side taken in the reverse order. If all the sides of a polygon except the closing one denote a number of vectors in order, their resultant is denoted by the closing side taken in the reverse order. For example, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE equal, see, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE. कहाँ से होगा? A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. Really, last side, closing side in the reverse order is AE. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE equal AE. But remember, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA equal 0. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E and E to A. First point and last point same. A बाट सुरु भएर A मै इन भयो भने त्यसको भेक्टर, त्यसको रिजल्टेन्ट 0 हुन्छ.